Hello everyone, welcome back to Excel with Priyanka series 22. And in this series, we will be learning topics like data validation drop down list, why this data validation is useful, and the functions like match, index, sum, and the combination of all these three functions. So we will start with our data validation, and here is the example. And in this example, I want the user to select a product from the drop down list here. As soon as the product will be selected here, the Excel should automatically display its price in this cell. So goal here is look up product price using exact match lookup. So we will first put the drop down list. How to do this? So for this we will have to go to data tab, click on the data validation. Here again a drop down has come, and here as well we have to choose data validation. And as we are seeing it here in the allow, we have multiple options, and in that options we will be using it list here. So select it, source, where we have to apply this, click it, and the source product we have to select it. This will be the source. I have selected it and OK. So you are seeing it here, a drop down list has been added, and we are seeing it the list of products here, Aspen, Carlota, and many more products. So why this is useful? Suppose if we do not want to type the product manually, instead we can simply, with the help of this drop down, we can select the product. Imagine someone typing a product here like Yanaki. What if it instead of single N, it is coming double N? So this VLOOKUP which we will be applying it here will give an error. Even a small spelling mistakes will cause a VLOOKUP to return an error. Using this drop down will eliminate this mistake. So we'll be using it VLOOKUP. Lookup table, lookup value is this, comma, table array, this value we have to choose from which table. This I think something wrong is coming. Product, again, why it is coming like this? What happened? Let's check it again. What happened? Equal to sign, VLOOKUP. So lookup value will be this, comma, the product we have to, not again this, T products, why, comma. What is the, we have to select the price, and that column number is 4. And for the exact approximate match, it will be true. Close the bracket, control enter, and see the price of Yanaki has been displayed. And remember what I told you. If you want to select it any of the product, we don't have to type it here again. We are going to select it from this drop down, sunshine selected, and the price is automatically displayed here. 22.95. We'll try with another one, quad 43.95, and this is exactly perfectly working fine. We will be moving to our next example where we will be learning match function, index function, and the combination of these functions. So we are going to solve a very practical business problem here, and we have a sales data of 4 different days: day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and Excel should automatically calculate the total units sold here for either for whatever the day we want, day 1, day 2, day 3, whichever, the total units should be selected as we will change it here. So for this, here we have to, for selecting day 1, day 2, again typing, we want to skip that step. So for that we will use a list. For that we have to again go to data validation, here list, source we have to select, source will be this day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, selected, okay, and we can see that the list is getting displayed. So total units, I am not going to submit for day 1, day 2, day 3 here. I will be using a here we will be learning a dynamic formula. So let's see it here. Equal to match double click, lookup value will be this, comma, lookup array, this will be the lookup array, comma, for 0 for the exact match. We want the exact match. Close the bracket, control, enter, and this is giving error. Why? Equals match, lookup value will be this, comma, lookup array, this, lookup value, and the match type should be exact match. Why this is giving error? Match should give here. Why this is giving error? Lookup value day 1. Oh, here we have to select this only, comma, exact match, and control enter. Here we had to give this in the array table, in the here, because from this day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, it will match the, like for day 2 it is column number 1, column number 2, so this will give accordingly. Here match searches for the value in the C5. Match, what it will be doing, it will be searching value for the value which is there in the C5 cell. So in the C5 cell the value is D2. From these headers D1, D2, D3, D4, from these 4 headers it will be searching the value, and we got it 2. We will be learning the index now equal to index. So index array we have to select comma row number and column number we have to give. Suppose I am giving a row number 2 and column number 4. Close the bracket, control enter, and result is there. So index will display returns one value, returning one value here. So row, it will first go to row number 2. So in this selected thing, it will go to row number 1, 2 and column number 4 I have selected. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1719. So we have learned the index. Normally it returns one value, but when we are giving here row number, instead of 2, if we type it 0, it means it will give the value of the entire column. Control enter, and this will give a value error. And why we are getting this value error here? The reason being, in Excel 2016, it cannot display multiple values in one cell. So spill array function is not there. Spilling of the values, multiple values, that function is not there in this Excel 2016. That is why it is giving a value error. But when we were seeing it earlier, we were asking for one value, so it was displaying it correctly. Now I am letting match calculate the column number. So we will see now the combination of all these function. Equal to sign, here match, double click it, lookup value will be this, comma, lookup array will be this, comma, for exact match it is 0, close the bracket. We will be using here index as well. Index, for index array will be this, comma, we want the value of the entire column. So I am putting the row number as 0 and column number I will be not typing it here because match is here, which will calculate that column number. So here column number has been selected, row index will be giving the entire value, and I will be adding the sum for adding up all the numbers. Control enter. Something happened. Sum 1, sum 2. Why is this giving? Oh, something is E6. What is this E6? And we have got our result. So what is this result? This result, match is giving this, selecting this column, and index will be displaying all the values of this, and sum will be adding the entire value, which will give as the result will be 10,006. So we have learned this thing as well. That is why we get the total units match with the help of sum, index and match. We will move to our next example, and here our goal is look up the employee record based on employee ID in cell B5. So here employee ID has been given, and we want the based on the employee ID, we have to look up for the first name, last name, start date, cell phone and the department. So we will see for the first name equal to, and we will be applying here. We look up value this comma table array. I'll be selecting it here because we will be displaying for the first name, comma, what is the column index number? That is 1, 2, 2, lookup range, true for the approximate match and false for the exact match. And the approximate matching only works correctly when the first column of the lookup table is sorted in the ascending order, which is not here. So we will be choosing here false as the exact match. Close the bracket, control, enter, and we got it. We will see it manually, and the first name is Sue, which is correctly, which we got our result true. So for the rest of finding last name, start date, cell phone and department, I tell my audience to go apply the VLOOKUP formula here and get the result. So this is all about today's session, and in today's class we have learned data validation, how it works, how to bring this list to the cell, what is the useful of this drop down data validation list, and we have learned a function match, index and the combination of all the functions, and we have seen the VLOOKUP, learned why false exact match we have used it here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video.